sisters, teachers, and my dear children. Okay, first I want to ask you a question. What is Christmas? What was the message given by Aryan? Huh? Kindness, okay. Happiness. Okay, love. Okay, very good. So Christmas is a celebration of love and goodwill to all. Okay, goodwill means being kind, as you said, and being loving one another. Okay, it is a special festival celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas is not only a Christian festival, it is a celebration of universal values that speaks to every human heart: love, compassion, humility, peace, and hope. As we approach the beautiful season of Christmas, my heart is filled with joy and gratitude for the love and the presence of God among us all. Jesus was born in a small stable, yet his presence brightened the whole world. In the same way, your kindness, your good works, your helpful attitude, and your willingness to share can make your families, classrooms, and this school a brighter place. As we commemorate Christmas today, we remember the powerful message of Jesus: love one another, care for the poor, forgive, and live in peace. These values are treasured in every religion and culture, represented in our schools too. This makes Christmas a beautiful time for all of us to reflect on how we live these values in our daily lives. Students, please listen. The message is for you. Okay, let me share a small story with you. Brought a beautifully wrapped gift to the classroom, but did not write any name on it. The students were curious and asked, "Whom is it for?" The teacher replied, "This gift is for anyone who notices someone in need." What did teacher say? This gift is for someone who is in need. Okay. One day, a student saw a classmate sitting alone and looking sad. The student opened the gifts with him, and inside was a note that read, "Be kind, sit with them, listen, and share." There was nothing else in the box, yet something beautiful happened. A smile appeared and a friendship began as they shared and listened to one another. Yes, dear teachers and children, do we give some time to listen to our companions, our friends, our parents? Yes, this is the true message of Christmas. Christmas reminds us that the greatest gifts are not expensive, but the gifts that everyone can give every day, the gifts that have no label, no religion, and no boundary. What is that gift? Can you tell me? The gift, the love. Very good. Okay. They are love, kindness, understanding, compassion, and listening to one another. When we choose to care, to include, to forgive, and to help, we celebrate the spirit of Christmas. During this season of Christmas, I invite you, dear teachers and students, to remember 4 things that you can do. Okay? The first thing, be grateful. What is the first thing? Be grateful. Remember the blessings you have: your parents, teachers, friends, and the many opportunities that you receive every day. And be grateful to God and thank one another. And second thing, be caring. Okay, think of those who may be lonely or in need. They need a smile, a greeting, or a small act of service can be a beautiful Christmas gift. Number three, be responsible. As you enjoy the holidays or celebrations, continue to work hard, stay disciplined, and keep striving for excellence in your studies and in your job. Number four, be peaceful. Christmas invites us to forgive, to let go of anger, and be instruments of peace. Let peace begin with each one of us and then to others. So, what are the four things to practice? Be grateful, be caring, be responsible, be peaceful. Okay, very good. I get the response from here, but not from this area. Sleeping? Okay. So, may this Christmas inspire each one of you to become a gift, a gift of goodness to one another and to the world. May your hearts be filled with joy, your homes with love, and your minds with hope for the coming year. I wish each one of you and your families a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. May the spirit of Christmas be with you all, and may God bless you.